Hello, water managers. My name is Andy Richter, part of the Water Management Systems Division at the Hydrologic Engineering Center. I'm going to be covering HEC-RAS for swims today. This presentation is part of a series of recordings that will cover various topics relating to HEC-RAS modeling for swims. There are 6 main topics that will be presented in this series. Previous videos have covered the first 4 topics. This video will cover HEC-RAS CAVI integration. Let's get started. There are 4 main steps when integrating an HEC-RAS model into the CAVI. The first step is to import the HEC-RAS project. The second step is to configure HEC-RAS Mapper. Third step is to run the base model standalone from within the Setup tab. The last step is to verify model linking inside of the CAVI. So the first step in this process is to import the model into the CAVI. And remember, only one HEC-RAS project can be imported into a CAVI watershed. Each of these plans inside of the HEC-RAS model become alternatives when imported into the CAVI. As you can see in our example here, we have 4 HEC-RAS plans that have become CAVI alternatives once imported. So the next step in this process is to configure HEC-RAS Mapper. RAS Mapper needs more data than the CAVI import provides, such as terrain data and projection file. You will need to copy that data from the original HEC-RAS model file directory into the watershed directory. And at this point, you will need to create saved maps. Remember, those are outputs that will be generated and saved to disk so that they can be passed to HEC-FIA or used to develop inundation maps. The next step is to run a standalone HEC-RAS model simulation. This should be done within the base watershed directory. During this step, you will need to generate a saved map. This step is necessary to ensure that the model linking between HEC-RAS and HEC-FIA is correct and functions properly from within the CAVI. The last step in this process is to verify model linking inside of the CAVI. This should be done within the Setup tab so that the model linking for the base model is correct, which ensures that any forecasts created will inherit the correct linkages. If you have any other questions about our software, need some help, or are looking for additional training, check out these links. They can also be found in the description below. Thank you for your time.